welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-edit gamit ang KineMaster. So, if you're starting your YouTube channel and di mo alam kung paano mag-edit, then ito tuturuan ko kayo ng good editing for KineMaster. So, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified every time I have a new video posted. So, let's start!
Lalabas dyan yung 16.9, 9.16. Of course, bibili mo yung 16.9 para kasi yun talaga yung ano sa YouTube video. So, ngayon naghanap ako ng video na gagamitin ko for this tutorial. And gagamitin ko yung ginawa ko the last time. And, yeah. So, as you guys can see, merong mga pangit na video na record, which is I can do a trim, guys, para mabura ko yan. So, ang gagawin mo lang is, hanapin mo yung mga ayaw mo maging part ng video na to, or trailer, whatsoever na gagawin mo. Just always trim and split that head yung mga ayaw mong maging part ng video na yun. So, ganyan lang ginagawa ko, guys. Tinitrim ko lang siya. Tapos, mamaya, buburahin ko sila isa't isa para minsanan. Kailangan lang ng trim. Gaya niyan, ayoko yan, oh. Kailangan ko siyang burahin. Trim again. Trim lang ng trim. So, oh, diba? Piling maganda mo, te. Ganda mo. Pero yung part na yan, ayoko yan. So, didelete na natin sila. Yung mga hindi natin gustong maging part ng ating video. And, especially this one, yung lapel mic ko. Nakalimutan ko. Diyos ko. So, didelete ko rin ito. So, yun guys. Napakadali lang mag-edit. Pero it takes time. Talaga. So now in here in layer, we're gonna go to media. And I'm gonna show you guys. Pwede kayong mag-add ng mga photos or videos. Na pwede mo, for example, na gumagawa kayo ng reaction video. Mga ganon. So, ang gagamitin ko dito is yung trailer na ginawa ko last time. So what I have to do is I have to mute this and go to mixer and put the voice down. And also guys, here you can move it. You can place it to wherever you guys want. Pwede mo siyang ilagay kung saan mo gusto. And you guys can add animation like pop, slide right, slide left, slide up, counterclockwise, scale up, mga ganun. Marami naman pwedeng gawin talaga. So here we're gonna go to effect. And in here, I have fisheye, kaleidoscope, which is I'm gonna show you guys ano ang meron sa kaleidoscope. So makita nyo naman, may 4 akong muka, 4 na forehead na parang flower na hindi mo alam. My God. So, and the next one I have magnifier. Na kung gusto mong magpalaki ng muka or ano, mga nakakatawa sa video na ginawa mo, pwede mong gamitin yung magnifier, which is you can download it. And also right now, I have to mute yung video ko para di nyo marinig and para marinig nyo lang yung boses ko. Ganon. May mute ko lahat sila. Wala kayong choice, guys. But to listen to my voice. And then, we're gonna go to text. Kahit anong gusto mong lagay doon, pwede. And also overlay. As you guys can see here in Sweet Love, I decided to use this love overlay. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Saktong-sakto sa ating magnifier face. And you guys can do the film counter as well, which is you can adjust. Kung for example, meron kayong gumagawa kayo ng exercise, you guys can do that as well. Or, I don't know, para maganda lang. You can do whatever you want. And as you guys can see, marami po akong overlay kasi dinownload ko talaga yan. And in here guys, since I love roses or flowers, I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look like in this video. Boom! Ganda, diba? Pink. I love pink color. So now here in drawing, you can choose whatever you want. But I picked the pen. I don't know if that's a pen or pencil. And you can draw or write whatever you guys want. Which is I draw an ugly heart. Pero alam kong makapag-drawing ako mas maganda dyan. And also you can add animation again. Slide left, slide up, counterclockwise, clockwise, yung mga ganon. But I decided to use the counterclockwise. Oh, diba? Ganda. Pero, in-adjust ko siya para naman hindi siya masyadong mahaba sa ating video. So, ganun talaga guys. Oh, diba? So far, ang ganda na. Pero, hindi naman natin lalagyan lahat. So, in here, sa effect, meron tayong split spectrum, which is really good, but I haven't used it yet to any video that I've done. Kasi hindi ko naman kailangan. So, ganyan siya guys. O, diba? Ang ganda. It's really cute. So, I adjusted para hindi siya malagay dun sa isang video. Para hindi siya lumagpas. Kasi pangit yun guys. Kailangan dun lang talaga sa saktong-sakto. So, in here, you guys can see music assets, which is I only have 3 kasi hindi naman talaga gumagamit ng KineMaster. Minsan lang pag kailangan. And in here, meron yung mga sound effects. Recorded, ito yung mga recorded audio ko from my last videos. Ang dami, diba? And you guys can have songs, which is I don't have. Ang dami kong wala. Pero, okay lang yan. So, ganon. So, in here, papakita ko sa inyo na maraming pwedeng gawin talaga using ang KineMaster. And I'm going to add my intro, which is I can use any transition. Nalagyan natin transition para naman maganda sa lahat. And gagamitin ko dito spin cut kasi ang ganda. Paikot siya, diba? So, maganda na yung mga may transition na yan. Para naman hindi boring. Diyos ko po. So, now in media, lalagyan natin yung outro ko. Para naman realistic, diba? Realistic? Wow. And I am going to go to, di ko na alam. So, pupunta tayo ng media. And I'm going to look for a photo. Dami kong picture. Nag-delete pa ako niyan guys ha. Tagalan pa ako Pwede ko naman gamitin kahit anong picture dyan. Pero, I'm very picky. So, don't judge me. So, I decided to use this picture. And like I said, pwede mo siyang ilagay kung saan mo gusto ilagay. And you can add animation to it. Like blink slow, flicker, a pulse, a jitter, a ring, which is cool. Ang dami talagang pagpipilian guys. So, it depends lang sa'yo yun. And, pwede mo lagyan ng drifting, squishing, rain, mga ganun. So, na-adjust ko siya para hindi siya masyadong mahaba. Kasi pag masyadong mahaba, pangit talaga yun. Ang gusto mo, yun lang nakikita. Ganun, ganyan. Ang gulo. Kalimutan ko pang lagyan to. So, lagyan natin spin ng zoom in para pop siya, pop. So, since yun nga yung outro ko, hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng transition. So, now, I'm going to type thank you. Para naman, so, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo na pwede siya lagyan talaga. And there's a lot of fonts in here na pwede mong gamitin, but I decided to use Paytone 1 regular. And it's really cute, guys. Really cute, like a dog. And here you can choose whatever color you want. And ang dami. Napakarami. Hindi mo na alam kung anong color yung gagamitin mo. Pero, yan ang gamit ko. But you know what? I decided to change it because I decided na hindi ko rin gusto. So, yeah. And also, you can add animation. Any type of animation. And, or enter slide up, slide down, counterclockwise, clockwise, whatsoever. But I decided to do none because we're gonna go to overall animation. And we're gonna use the ring animation. Ganda kasi, guys. So, ngayon, nakikita nyo naman, ina-adjust ko na siya. Kasi, ang ganda. O, diba? Para kang nahihilo. Nahihilo. So, ayoko rin siya masyadong matagal. Kasi, pangit. So, in here, I have to mute that. Kasi baka makapiright ako. Kahit na akin pa yan, baka makapiright ako. Ayaw natin mangyari yun. So, I have to mute it. So, ganyan transition niya. It's pretty cool, right, guys? And, boom. Yung pangit na video kanina, naging maganda. Parang ikaw, ganda-ganda mo. Hindi ko na alam ginagawa ko, guys. Pero, ganyan siya. And, ganda. And don't forget to, hindi ko na nakalimutan na pwede ka mag-record. Especially pag gumagawa ka ng exercise or makeup na ayaw mo magsalita bago mo ginagawa yun while you're doing makeup. You can do record. Like I'm doing right now, nagre-record ako. Voice over.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified every time I have new video posted.